guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today we will be making some octopus. So everything I make is my original pattern, and I will be sharing it with you to make your life easier and so you can make one of your own. I will be selling this pattern too, just in case me just verbally speaking is a little confusing to you. So look out for that. But here are the octopus. I will go through the whole process with you, explain every step. I hope this is clear for you guys. I know some of my previous videos might have been a little confusing, but I think we are getting better. But as always, give me tips and tricks in the comments to make my videos a little better for you guys. So yeah, let's get to the video. You're going to start off with 8 single crochet in a magic ring. We are going to start with the 8 legs first. Next, do 8 increase to make that 16. Now do 3 rounds of single crochet, make sure there's 16 around. Last, you're going to be doing 8 decrease to make that 8. And make sure to stuff it up. Fold it flat and single crochet across. Cut the yarn. You don't have to make, you can either leave a long string or you can make it short and then sew crochet it in as you go along. Repeat this step 8 times. You're going to start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring for the body. Then you're going to do 8 increase to make that 16. Do single crochet increase to make it 24. Do 2 single crochet increase to make it 32. Next up is 3 single crochet increase to make it 40. I then do 5 rows of single crochet, 40 stitches in each. After your 5 rounds, you're going to do 3 single crochet decrease to make that 32. Do 2 single crochet decrease to make it 24. Put the eyes between row 8 and 9 and make that 7 stitches apart. This is the row you're going to sew in your tentacles with, or the 8 legs. Is going to be single crochet decrease to make a 16. Don't forget to stuff it. And then for your last row, you're going to be doing 8 decrease to make it 8. Once you sew it up, it's time for the results. Okay, you have reached the end. I hope this pattern worked out well for you guys, and send me a photo of whatever you made if you like. I'd like to see what kind of things you made from this. I hope you guys loved the video, and I hope it worked out well for you. I post bi-weekly, which is every other Saturday. So I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye!